Obviously not, because the door's open. Wait, I don't know who it was.
Ken, is that you again?
Mom? Mom, what are you doing? Mom. Stop drinking water. What is in this? What's in this, Mom? Vodka?
No.
I thought you said you were putting that stuff. No. Absolutely not. You can't be drinking straight vodka.
Come back.
But I can. What's that about? Why did you call me Ken?
Ken's coming.
My dad? I thought he was with that Bratz doll, Yasmin.
What the heck? Who is she?
Mom, you know who Yasmin is. His fiance?
Yeah.
You're wearing those shoes again.
They're mine.
Those are the ones you only wear when you're having an affair.
Cut it out, man.
Mother, we need to have a serious talk. A robe? Pizza? There's a bra hanging from the fan. Under around the line. Did you have a party?
Yeah. I had a party.
Hey, do you care if I have a guy over tonight?
No.
Can I stay the night?
Who is he?
I don't know his name. Like, someone's gonna meet him.
Wait.
He's got a dad like your age, I think.
What?
His dad is like your age. Hey, babe. So can he come over?
Yeah. No!
Why not?
He's ugly.
He's not. You're the 50-year-old guy. You're just with dad because he has money.
That's how you get the money.
That's the only reason we still have our Barbie Dream House mansion.
Mm-hmm. And I'm famous.
Thanks for letting me get my nose pierced and my eyebrow pierced.
Oh, no problem, Shayla.
Mom, there's something Shayla? I'm Skipper, Mom.
No, you're Shayla.
No, I'm Skipper. There's something I need to tell you. I'm pregnant.